The Etihad Stadium is the home ground of which team? The options are A. Manchester United, B. Manchester City, C. Liverpool. The correct answer is Manchester City. Everton are a Premier League club in which English city? The options are A. Manchester, B. Newcastle, C. Liverpool. The correct answer is Liverpool. John Terry spent his entire playing career at which club? The options are A. Chelsea, B. Arsenal, C. Manchester United. The correct answer is Chelsea. Gary Neville spent his entire playing career at which club? The options are A. Manchester United, B. Arsenal, C. Chelsea. The correct answer is Manchester United. The West London Derby is contested between which teams? The options are A. Chelsea and Fulham, B. Arsenal and Tottenham, C. West Ham and Millwall. The correct answer is Chelsea and Fulham. Alan Shearer is the all-time leading goal scorer for which English club? The options are A. Blackburn Rovers, B. Newcastle United, C. Southampton. The correct answer is Newcastle United. Manchester United are also known as. The options are A. The Blues, B. The Gunners, C. The Red Devils. The correct answer is the Red Devils. Steven Gerrard spent his entire playing career at which club? The options are A. Everton, B. Liverpool, C. Manchester City. The correct answer is Liverpool. David Seaman represented which country internationally? The options are A. Wales, B. England, C. Scotland. The correct answer is England. David Beckham left Manchester United in 2003 to join which Spanish team? The options are A. Real Madrid, B. Barcelona, C. Atletico Madrid. The correct answer is Real Madrid. Tony Adams represented which country internationally? The options are A. Scotland, B. Ireland, C. England. The correct answer is England. Thierry Henry is the all-time leading goal scorer for which English club? The options are A. Arsenal, B. Manchester City, C. Chelsea. The correct answer is Arsenal. Former England manager Sven-Göran Eriksson was from which country? The options are A. Norway, B. Denmark, C. Sweden. The correct answer is Sweden. Who is the Belgian ex-Manchester City defender and captain? The options are A. Vincent Kompany, B. Kevin De Bruyne, C. Thomas Vermaelen. The correct answer is Vincent Kompany. Former Spurs striker Jurgen Klinsmann played for which country? The options are A. Germany, B. Austria, C. Denmark. The correct answer is Germany. Who is the Dutch former Arsenal and Manchester United striker? The options are A. Robin van Persie, B. Ruud van Nistelrooy, C. Klaas-Jan Huntelaar. The correct answer is Robin van Persie. Which ex-England striker played for Spurs and Man United until age 40? The options are A. Teddy Sheringham, B. Jermaine Defoe, C. Michael Owen. The correct answer is Teddy Sheringham. Steven Gerrard represented which country internationally? The options are A. Wales, B. England, C. Scotland. The correct answer is England. Chelsea owner Roman Abramovich is from which country? The options are A. Russia, B. Ukraine, C. Belarus. The correct answer is Russia. John Terry represented which country internationally? The options are A. England, B. Scotland, C. Wales. The correct answer is England. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.